Hey, Dennis Caskey here. I'm giving away this 8x10 metal print of Settling Down. It has been a favorite around our house, and the fact that it's metal makes it extra special. Metal prints are extra durable, easy to clean, moisture doesn't hurt them, so they are good for the steamier places in the home, such as the bathroom or the kitchen. Plus, this 8x10 size is great for small spaces. The image is of this lone tree on the shore of Lake Michigan at Duck Lake State Park. The reason I named it Settling Down is because Lake Michigan has been pretty chaotic all day long. Big waves, lots of wind, and I had been rushing around all day trying to get a good photo, and it just wasn't happening. Finally, towards sunset, both the lake and I began to settle down when I found this tree. All you have to do to sign up for the giveaway is go to denniscaskey.art/pages/giveaway and sign up. You can also click on the link in my profile page to get there. The giveaway ends at midnight on February 21st, 2024. I'll announce the winner on the 22nd. Make Settling Down a part of your collection. Just sign up, and who knows, this print could be on one of your walls soon. Best of luck to you.